Yes, you lined up. Winner.
Mechanic. Loosen again. Loosen.
Did it just fall?
Loosen. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to start getting the Mini put back together, or at least attempting to. We obviously haven't done anything on the Mini for a good while. We've had no videos on it for a good while. To be honest, we haven't really worked on cars for a good while. We've done a couple of bits here and there, a couple of services and whatnot, but nothing major. So yeah, we want to get back into it, get back into the swing of things. So we're going to start by trying to get the engine back into the Mini and then building it back up from there. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy the video. As I said before, first things first, we're going to get the engine in. We don't really know the best way to get it in. Obviously it's on a bit of an awkward angle on the crane, but we've got the left side engine mount in, just loosely with a nut, and then we're going to bring the engine into place, put the bolts into it and hold it up from the bottom with a jack, just so we can get the gearbox in, so we can mount it from both sides, and then we can work on getting all the wiring and all that fun stuff in. So we're going to wheel it in now and get the bolts in.
Trying to get a bolt started.
Yeah, I'm not going to try and tighten it. There's one.
So I can maybe get a jack up with it.
There's two.
As long as they start, they're alright.
There's three. Four.
I'd tighten this part up first.
All the way, yeah?
Yeah.
All the engine mount bolts over here are tight. Not obviously torqued down to spec, but tight to be in place, to hold things. We're going to sort wash in the gearbox now. Then we'll get a jack under. We'll probably get a jack under first. Then wash the gearbox, wait for Tyler to get here, and we'll shut the gearbox on.
Then once we've got the box on, mount in, and then it'll sit flush in the engine bay then, finally. But then some frames got to go in and it'll make it look a lot nicer.
Yep, and then all the stuff at the back.
Yeah. The thing that's going to be, might be a pain in the ass is putting that exhaust in. But you've done that before.
I've done that before on my own, so that should be
it's not too bad. But there's a few bits at the back, like when we took it off the first time and started the motor.
Yeah.
I took that off, didn't I? So
yeah,
get that back in. There's nothing on the back of the engine that needs to be put on just yet, is there?
No. There's nothing that needs to go on all of it, I think, other than the starter motor, which we know about. Because we didn't take any of the filter and stuff off.
No.
So the back of it is sound other than the exhaust.
Yeah.
So yeah, got a few more bits to do, and we'll be back shortly once we clean the gearbox. It's nothing exciting about cleaning the gearbox. It's just some brake fluid.
Yeah. Clean it.
Yeah.
Don't want to be trusting brake fluid in it. Alright, Vaughn.
Okay.
Where are you?
The way, mate.
Hey?
On the way, there, man.
Engine's in.
Hey?
Engine's in.
Engine's in already?
Yeah.
It is fast.
Promise you.
Promise you, mate,
Talent.
it's in.
Mechanic.
Got it all up until you've got the box in, because the other mount for it goes on the box.
Is that a cameraman from today?
Yeah. But if we've got to do the throttle bearing. Yeah.
Oh! Barely hear it.
Oh, that's alright. But if we've got to do the throttle bearing, then this box ain't going back in. I'm jealous because Chelsea and Meg had one last night.
Yeah, they did.
Wait, what?
Do you not remember the rules?
No one told me that.
Owen didn't know about it.
No one told me to say that.
Or maybe Chelsea didn't know. Oh no, Owen did know. Well, she didn't tell me though and didn't know.
Where's my
Apparently Owen didn't know.
Where's my phone?
Oh dear. Look what you've done there.
Yeah, ready again? Yeah.
You push the jack forward or?
Like that, yeah? Keep going. I'm going to stop or something.
Up? Yeah, but like, we've got to go across. Push it towards me. Okay. This is getting stuck.
Is there no way we can... Can the engine swing this way and then add it on and then swing it in? When it's attached to the engine?
I don't know if we can take the engine off.
I still think it's going to be easier to mount the box before we put it in, and then put the whole thing in.
Yeah.
That's what I think will work best.
Lower? It just depends will the yeah, lower. It just depends will the crane hold it.
It will do, yeah.
Yeah.
No, pull it.
All clear above and behind.
Right. Do you want to maybe set that wheel underneath it and drop it down
Yeah.
onto it?
Right, yeah, chuck that wheel over.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, it's that one, yeah.
This is how rednecks do it. Fuck it.
Push it as far forward as it can, that's it. Right, lower it down, Tyler.
Which is this way, yeah?
Lefty loosey. It will go. Just, you need to lean back on that a bit.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw! Ready?
Put it down. So it's got to come. Yeah, so these bits have got to be facing up.
Yeah.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
With their fingers.
Fingers. Get your fingers out, I've got the top. I'll try and hold the back end of the engine.
What?
Back end of the engine, hold it.
See, I don't know if she's gonna. She lined up.
I think so.
I don't think she's lined up, is she?
No. Right, we're going to pull out, yeah?
Huh?
3.
Oh, you might have to do this on your own. Have a look. Yeah, go on. Oh, yeah.
The fuck?
She might have lined up. You just gotta twist her towards me. Yes, she lined up. Winner. Right.
Almost there.
She's got to come towards me. Got up down. Grab a bolt, someone.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Stick me in, Jack.
Yeah.
Fucking bit.
You got to twist it towards me.
That's stuck in there.
Hang on, pull it out. Pull it out. Twist it towards you.
Oh, fucking hammers. Just to tap it.
It's like looking at video from before.
But there's one that goes. There's a couple that go on the back like there.
Jack, do I need to be around the back anymore?
Huh?
Do I need to be around the back anymore? Is it alright?
Just
What,
for support.
Do that up a bit more, Jack. If you can. Go on. we've got to be a bit careful lifting this up because I don't know if the engine's going to hold it all. Right,
Are they all up? Are they all done in?
Yeah.
It's just that top one there.
Let me put this bit on here first.
You can't get gun on that, can you?
Huh?
Can't get gun on that, can you?
Can't get a gun in it.
No, but it's alright, it's got loads of them in already. So.
How do you reckon we do this? Do you reckon we go under the fucking...
Do you reckon these are the right ones?
I mean, is it? Yeah.
It's not come out the bottom of the gearbox.
There's another one there.
Is this what you do at work? You just fucking gun them all? You did that on yourself,
So I
Jack.
need that bolt. Bolt goes.
It's stinging.
It's alright.
Mine's right at the moment as well.
Right. I reckon move her in and then lift her up.
Yeah.
So lift her up a tiny bit and keep move her in.
Tell me when to stop lifting her up.
Just go right towards me.
Right.
Go on.
Okay, now
You
move.
have to.
Should we take the tyre out?
Yeah, move the wheel. Take it more though. Maybe.
Right, now bring her up a bit.
Something's crashed.
Heavy your side.
Ooh, very fucking heavy.
Let a bit come into my side if you want.
I've got it.
How much higher?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Go on, let's wheel her in.
Right, push her in.
Yeah, that way. To the right. Oh. Kick the legs, Jack. Right, crashed.
Crashed on this
Right.
fucking brace here.
Is that going to be a lift up jobby or a downwards jobby?
I reckon if we pull towards me.
It's fucking whatever that side.
Fucking bitch, this fucking bracket.
Should we take the bracket off and put it back on?
Yeah, you have to.
Right. I've got the engine. Tyler, get the whizzer.
Where's that?
Pull the whole bracket off, Tyler.
Pull the bracket off.
Right, so we going in again? Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, stick. If you can stick the gearbox end in first, and then
You ain't gonna get the gearbox in there.
I mean, like not put it in, but like flick it in, and then swing the engine around. If I rotate it, it might be a bit easier for you.
I need to lift it up to get onto that mate, right?
Right. Can you come in a bit, Tyler?
Like that.
Yep.
Further.
We just need to get it over the stud.
Do you want me to lift it?
Yeah, if you can. Right, give it Owen a hand, lifting it up over this way if you can.
Up towards Jack.
Hey? Very close.
Get that fucking nut on.
Tyler, drop the lift a touch.
You got it?
It's on like half a thread.
That's left to loose.
Just tighten it, just tighten it.
Look, dropping it, yeah?
Only a very small
I'll
amount.
do it, leave it there.
On? Yeah, leave it there. Right, it's in.
Right, play some dramatic music.
Fuck.
The sausage embroider.
Right, tighten, yeah, I'll tighten the holes up first.
Where's this fella at the front?
That's
So
what
we don't
we're
know
trying
where
to find.
that
Right.
one is.
As long as that one's tight.
Right. Loosen it down a bit. You find me a big 19 for the good, ½ inch.
Before we take all this off, are the jack stands in a place where they can support it?
Yeah. They haven't moved.
Oh, okay.
Is there any more loosening on it? Loosen it again. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Loosen it again. Loosen.
Did it just fall?
Loosen. Keep going.
You're not going to be able to hold a car, Joe.
No, I know. I'll tell you to stop. Keep going.
Wait, over. Go on. She's just sliding into the jack stand, that's all.
Are the jack stands secure? Yeah.
Yeah, well they're on the sill, they're not on the actual jacking points. Go on.
Yeah. The car's got the engine now.
Yeah.
Absolutely poo myself then.
Fucking so did I. Because you dropped it and then the
You
fucking...
told me to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't find it.
That's it now.
Oh, fucking done. MOT. Go on then. Anyway,
we've got-
I'll leave you two to wrap it up. I'm just going to go fuck off home.
Like the thing, we've got that battery box. Our battery box has got to come up here, so we'll have to just disconnect it and move it up. But
Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem.
let's just fucking sort out everything that's got to go back onto the engine and on the gearbox. And then we can fucking do everything else. But it's looking like a car again now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Gotta buy some more fucking car parts first. But now that it's
Now that
past
it's
that bit,
in,
look at that. It's supporting itself. Whee! Woo! So, as you can see, we've got the engine and gearbox into the car. I will have obviously put some footage in of that, trying to get it in. Little bit of a mission, but I would say it was easier than when we got it out.
I don't know because the box was a pain in the ass because of our fault.
Yeah.
Because of the subframe. Once the subframe come down, then it was a bit easy to get out. I think it was harder to put back in than it was to get out.
I don't know.
We'll agree to disagree.
Yeah.
Tyler wasn't here when we took it out.
Tyler wasn't here when we took it out, so he doesn't get an opinion.
You guys were flapping. I was
So-
just stood there.
Yeah.
Chilling.
So
Yeah,
we were
not
doing
doing much.
We were doing the hard work and Tyler wasn't. So yeah, it's back in. I thought it wasn't too bad, but either way, it's in. It's mounted. It's supporting itself now, which is nice. The car did tilt a little bit as we took the weight off the crane, but it's secure, so that's all that matters. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We're thinking about doing a bit of a behind the scenes, funny moments type things from when we record these types of videos. So drop it in the comments if you'd like to see something like that, because there is a lot of stuff that gets cut out. So yeah, let us know if you want to see them. But for now, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.